You're watching Be More Lifestyle.
Surging energy costs, controversial power lines, and now a critical deadline for those who want to potentially save big with solar. Joining us now for some insight and advice is Wyatt Everhart, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. Talking about this fast approaching deadline to go solar in Maryland. What should we know?
Well, it all relates to the new energy law that was just passed this year in Maryland. What a lot of people don't know is when it comes to the solar part of that bill for homeowners, okay, if you want your best deal, if you want full credit for all the energy you would produce from your own roof or potentially ground array, you have to act now, Alex. You need to lock in what we call one-to-one net metering, meaning you get one credit for every unit of energy you don't use that day. For example, you're off to work, you're not using much power, that gets credited to your account with BG or whatever utility you have. You come home that night, you use that credit up. That full one-to-one program set to end as we go into next year, so you really need to sign up now if you want your best possible deal on solar in Maryland. Now is the time to take action.
Thank you for that. When it comes to producing our own power with solar, one thing that may hold us back, it may cost too much, many of us might think. Also, what's the deal with solar leasing? What should we know?
Well, look, first off, I think you always have to consider, what will I pay not to go solar, right? Typically, you're paying hundreds a month, thousands a year. 10 years from now, that could be $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 when you add it up.
Sure.
So solar is really the alternative to get cheaper energy from your own roof, from your own power system. But the concern has always been, well, what's it going to cost me to do that? Solar leasing has traditionally been a great option for people who say, I really can't outlay, thousands of dollars to buy a solar system. We're happy to do that for you at Solar Energy World, but that's not always the best option for a lot of people, especially right now where times are a little bit tight, things are very expensive. What you can do is go with our solar leasing option, and we now have the Savings Plus option, Alex. This is brand new. It's similar to traditional solar leasing in that you pay nothing up front, you pay nothing per month until the system's installed and knocking down your power bill. So you get that monthly savings, but it's savings plus some other benefits. Savings plus, for example, free insurance on the system. You don't get that if you buy it. Savings plus the ability to buy it out at a determined price in your agreement every year after 5 years, or prepay the entire lease. You can get rid of that solar payment completely. And just the transparency, okay? A lot of solar leases historically maybe haven't been totally clear exactly what you're going to pay every year. For example, with Solar Plus, you can lock in for 5 to 25 years. Lock in your rate for energy at a cheaper rate than utility. Compare that to all their rate increases. I think most of us would take that locked-in rate for 5 or 25 years.
Sure, and quickly, finding a great, reputable company to do all this is so critical.
Very important. Look, you don't want to get burned going solar. We say that a lot, Alex, but look, the bottom line is don't end up in a worse spot than you were with your utility and all the rate hikes. Make sure you're getting a really good agreement and a really good installer. We at Solar Energy World, we've been around more than 17 years, for example. We just were voted again, so thankful to the readers of the Baltimore Sun for voting us the #1 solar installer in Maryland. Lastly, Solar Power World magazine, we just climbed from #6 to the #4 installer in the country, Alex.
Wow.
So again, you just want to make sure you've got that stable, well-proven solar installer when you look into this. Of course, Solar Energy World, we have that stability now backed by Comcast.
Website is
solarenergyworld.com, or call us 877-SOLAR-TV. We'll get you that free analysis and Savings Plus estimate. See how much you can save.
Why, thank you so much.
Thank you.